Hello, and welcome back to Rev Lexus. A little bit of a July update. Just managed to pick up my car from Lexus Glasgow, £306 later, and I think my car's fixed. No more little annoying light. Thank you for everybody's help with the sensor issue. I think they found it was bank one sensor one that we thought, but it wasn't actually the sensor. It was to do with the wiring to the sensor, so we've got that fixed and no light as of yet, so fingers crossed that's resolved my issue. So we have no warning lights, no nothing on the car, all fine. A wee bit dusty, you get the weedy dust, but July and we're all good in the hood. But yeah, everything, we can get a wee clean. Got my Lexus, I had San Panorino orange in there. It's been washed. Happy days. Better close that. Just want to say thanks very much for watching this short video update on the SE430. As always, stay safe, give me a like, subscribe to the Lexus below, and check out my more interesting videos on other Lexus products on this channel. Stay safe. Ciao.